It's widely used in various fields, including data science, web development, machine learning, and scientific computing. So Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language known for its readability and ease of use. Uh, Programming structures, conditional structures are essential for creating programs that can make decisions and respond to different inputs or situations. By using these statements, you can control which parts of your code are executed based on specific conditions. They are often called as decision-making statements. The if statement uh, is used for one-way branching. The if else is used for two-way branching. Nested if statements and if elif ladders can be used for multiple branching. Example, example, a basic example, a equals to input, enter an integer. So this line prompts the user to enter an integer and stores the input value in the variable a. And this input function, int function, converts the input string to an integer. And the second line, conditional check. This statement checks if the value of a is greater than 0. If the condition is true, the code inside the block will be executed. If I run this program, you can see in the console, you will get the output like it is asking for an integer to be entered. If I type in 5 as it is greater than 0, you will get the result as entered value is positive. So this Python code implements a simple grading system based on the percentage of marks obtained by a student. Here's how it works. The input, uh, the code prompts the user to enter the percentage of marks obtained by a student using the input function. The input is converted to a floating point number using the float function and stored in the variable percentage PERC. The conditional checks. This code uses a series of if, elif, and else statements to check the value of percentage and determine the corresponding grade. If percentage is greater than 75, greater than or equal to 75, the grade is distinction. If percentage is greater than or equal to 60, the grade is first class. If percentage is greater than or equal to 50 but less than 60, the grade is second class. And if percentage is less than 50, the grade is fail. If I execute this one, okay, it is asking for the percentage of marks obtained by a student. And if I now enter 85, it is showing as grade as distinction. So this code effectively categorizes a student performance based on their percentage of marks and provides a clear output indicating the corresponding grade. This next code checks if a given number is divisible by 7. Here's a breakdown of how it works. Input. This line prompts the user to enter a number, and the input is converted to an integer using this int function and stored in a variable num1. And the conditional check, if statement checks if the remainder when num1 is divided by 7 is equal to 0. If the remainder is 0, it means num1 is divisible by 7. And if I run this code, enter a number, if I type in 35, then it is divisible by 7. And else, this else block execute when the if condition is not true. And this line prints the message the given number is not divisible by 7 to the console if this is not true.